Amazon is an incredible online shopping platform where you can buy almost anything. They're also great about all the options they give you for returning something you purchased within the last 30 days if that need arises. We're going to look at one of their more unique return options, the Amazon Hub Locker. They don't all look quite the same, and you're liable to find them almost anywhere. To return an item to Amazon by using a Hub Locker, you start where you do for anything you want to send back to them, up here near the top where it says Returns and Orders. So click on that. That will open up a list of your most recent orders. Find the item you want to return and go over to the side and click on Return Items. There's a drop-down box to the side of the item you're returning. There you'll have to tell Amazon why you're returning this item. Click on Continue, and then you'll see a list of available return options. If your item is eligible, you can scroll down and you'll see Amazon Locker. So click on that. It says you can drop off at an Amazon Locker of your choice. We'll guarantee space for 1 business day. After you complete your return request, you will receive an email with a return code. Then you have to choose a locker to take it to. Click on Choose Locker, and depending on where you live, you may have more than one choice of lockers to go to. You can search for lockers near you by putting in your address or any other address, by zip code, by landmarks such as Space Needle, Washington Monument, Brooklyn Bridge, anything like that, or locker name. And yes, these lockers actually have different names. I searched by zip code and it gave me 3 choices, and I'm going to go with the one on the top. By the way, its name is Intellect. I happened to pick a smart one. Then click on Confirm Your Return. That takes you to the Print Your Label page. You do need to have a printed label to make a return through an Amazon Hub Locker. You can click here to have them email you a label, or click here and for $1 they will mail you a label. I'm going to go ahead and print my label now. Your printout will give you 2 pieces of paper. This is the return authorization slip. It has a barcode and a description of what you're returning, and that goes on the inside of your package. The other page has your locker PIN number on it, and it tells you how long your locker is reserved for. So on the day that I initiated my return, they basically gave me till the end of the next business day to complete my return. Keep that in mind if you want to use a Hub Locker for your return. Make sure you'll be able to get your package there by the next day. If I go after that time, they can't guarantee that a locker will be available, but I can still go to the locker and attempt it, and in fact I can do that for up to 30 days after this reservation. After that reservation expires, I can cancel my return request and create a new return request. Or I can pay for return postage and send the package to the address on the return label. And there's the return label. Postage is not required for return to an Amazon locker. And when I get to the Hub Lockers, I'm going to have to input that drop-off code. So I'm just going to cut out this label, write my return address on it, and then box up my return item and affix the label. If the original packaging that the item came in is in good shape, you can use that to return it in, or you can use any other box or shipping bag that the item can fit in, as long as the outside dimensions meet the requirements. And those requirements are that it's no bigger than 18 by 14 by 12 inches. It gives you the address of where the Hub Locker is located, but it also gives you directions of how to find the Hub Locker once you're there. In this case, the locker is located outside the store, but many times the Hub Lockers are located inside a store or a business. And once you get to the Hub Locker, the directions are very simple. It says at the locker, enter your return code and follow the directions on the screen. Drop off your package in the locker and close the door. So there it is. My return is all packaged up. Now I'm going to head to the Hub Locker and drop off the package. And we're here at the convenience store. There's the Hub Locker where I'm going to return my package. And there's the screen where you put in your locker PIN number. It says scan the barcode or touch to start. And it says enter or scan the code or check-in code below. So I'm going to input my code, 311801. And it said code accepted. Your locker is open on your left. There it is. And that's big enough for my package. If it doesn't fit, it gives you options there. Locker didn't open or package doesn't fit, and you could probably get another locker, but that fits. So I'm just going to shut it, and it locks, and my return is complete. That was a very quick and easy process. So if you have a Hub Locker near you, or if you're going to be traveling through an area that has one like I was, this is a great option for returning a package to Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy returns.